Hey everyone, how you doing? I'm Andrew. I'm here from Aphone. We'll get a presentation up shortly. That's fine. Yeah, no worries.
Is there a deck with it or not?
It's okay. Awesome. So a little bit about Aphone. Aphone is the first Web3 cloud-based smartphone. And no, we're not a hardware device. So we've partnered up with Aether Cloud to essentially render a virtualized smartphone all from your existing device. So picture a Jambo phone or a Saga or a Chapter 2, but it all runs on your local hardware. So there's no need to have an additional device. The best part is there's zero strain on your local hardware. To keep it simple, it was a two-prong approach as to why Aphone was created. We identified two problems in the current environment. The first one being Web3 dApp accessibility. When it comes to Web3 dApps, getting published in traditional app stores like the Apple Store and Google Play, there's a lot of barriers and obstacles to achieve, all of the users and to achieve the publication that you're looking for. It took Uniswap a couple months in App Store jail before they got published into App Store. We created Aphone and created our own Web3 dApp store, which allows dApps and developers to publish directly through our operating system, so you can access the entire world, essentially a Web3 portal of Web3 dApps, all from your local device. So that being the first problem was Web3 dApp accessibility. The second issue was accessibility as a whole. Current smartphones, especially in regions of South America, and in parts of Southeast Asia, vary between $60 to $170. Meaning if they're going to run the DeFi applications, or SocialFi, or GameFi, they don't necessarily have the requirements or specs to run these high-intensity applications. So because we're using and leveraging Aether's decentralized cloud, people can run all of these different Web3 dApps from their smartphones. So going back to the accessibility play, to run or to purchase an iPhone or an Android, it's going to cost you hundreds of dollars, on top of all of the setups that come with Web3 applications. So for only $33 a year, you can access a Web3 portal directly on your local device. Some of the features include a super VPN that make it super easy to geo-bypass restrictions from anywhere in the world. So if you're in India and you can't get access to TikTok, you can now have access to TikTok. If you're a Web3 gamer and you play Mighty Action Heroes, but you can only get it on Google Play, you can now get it on iOS through the Aphone. On top of that, we have multiple accounts features, would make it super easy to farm a whole bunch of different DePIN projects, as well as soon to come at the end of Q4, we're looking into integrating eSIM functionality. We do believe in Web3 and mobile accessibility for everyone. We know that DePIN projects will continue to grow. We know that everyone here has a phone. Because everyone has a phone and has a device already in their pocket, rather than making you purchase an additional piece of hardware, we said, why not create something that works already on what you're holding in your hands? Aphone's super simple. It's a cloud-based, powered by Aether Cloud smartphone that works on your local hardware with zero strain on your current device. If you want more information, you can come and find me afterwards. But yeah, let's continue to build the DePIN future powered by Aether Cloud, and thank you.